tired. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. You guys, we are back with another home decor haul. That is correct. We are doing a bathroom makeover, you guys, and it is time, okay? Fall is setting in, and I want to soften it up but bring some warmer colors into the bathroom. So we are gonna do that today. I'm gonna do that with y'all. Y'all are gonna decorate with me, baby. But you see, I have on my heavy artillery outfit today. Okay, y'all. This is the polo shirt that I picked up from the thrift store, and I just kind of did like this little cutesy tie thing in the back because it's like super oversized, like a men's 2XL. Just got it on with some Nike shorts because we are working out in that bathroom today, baby, because we are gonna gut it out, take down the shower curtains, take out the rugs, take everything out the bathroom, you guys. You guys are gonna clean with me. We're going to clean it out, spray everything down, get it smelling real good and fresh. Then we are gonna decorate the bathroom with our new fall decor, and I'm very excited about that. I just wanna make it a little bit softer, bring some fall colors in as well, and y'all gonna decorate with me today. So let's go ahead, head on into the bathroom because I gotta take everything out, clean it, then we gonna decorate. So let's go to the bathroom. I keep trying for you. Baby, I'm keeping these towels. I just washed these the other day. Been braiding my hair. Okay, you guys, we are all done with gutting out the bathroom. cleaning it all up. Okay, y'all, it smells good. It looks good. It's nice and shiny and ready for the bathroom makeover. Okay, I feel like you got to clean every single thing, every single wall, all of that, and make sure, okay, you clean around that toilet. Clean around that toilet, ladies. But now, y'all, we're gonna start on with the shower area first. Y'all hear that echo? Baby, we took everything out, but we're gonna start with the shower first. Put everything back in here, and then we are going to hang our new curtains, y'all. I absolutely love the curtain design that we came up with. It is so nice, and I am super excited to go ahead and finish it. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue. Okay, you guys, so now we have all of our bath care and, shower care and shower routine and stuff like that all in the shower. These are the shower curtains that we are going to be putting up. You guys may remember these in the Ross haul. This is the liner. We're going to put that up. And then this is the shower curtain. It's like this really pretty vanilla waffled style shower curtain. So we're gonna put that up first, and then we have another shower curtain to put up, you guys. I'm really excited about this because it's a new look that we're doing. We have not did that look in the bathroom yet. So yeah, let's go ahead and pop these open and see what's to it. Babe says she's gonna help us with this, y'all. We're gonna put this on first. So we put this on first. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Don't make me cry, son.
Yeah. You my treacherous little twin, and you know that we locked in, and I love you like my kin. It's whatever for you. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. Yeah. You my twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin. You my treacherous little twin, you my twin. You my treacherous little twin. Yeah. Fuck what they say, fuck what they, fuck what they. Fuck what they say, 500 million on the face, feel like KK. And I know the city that we from, not a safe place. But I know you riding with your twin till we fade away. We used to have nothing till our names, still had great days. Always kept me umbrellaed up when the rain came. You tell me you want something, I'll tell you same thing. Now when we come through inside this bitch, they got them.
This is tiring. I was telling Chris and them about how child tried this like worse than the way. Oh my God.
Even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you.
Wow. So I love this shower curtain, you guys. I'm tired, girl. My arms are tired. My neck is tired, but I love the shower curtain because I love the ones that have like the magnets at the bottom to stick to your tub to make sure, when you're taking a shower, it's not just going all over the place. So yeah, that's the kind this is. Got it from Ross. I think it was $4.99, $5, and I love it, you guys. It's a really nice waffle. So let's go ahead and put the shower curtain on top of that. Baby, I love how you standing back there and cut. I'm ready.
I'm ready because it ain't too much space to open in
two people.
Come in and stand over there.
I thought it was like something that I was going to
No, apparently it's going into. See, I had a problem with getting these bad boys open earlier. I couldn't figure it out.
yeah, it's like went overruled by
Okay, you guys, so the shower curtain is up. Let me take y'all off of here. The shower curtain is up so you can get a better view of what that looks like. And I feel like the quality is really nice for Ross for the amount of $5. As you can see, it comes down to the floor. It's pretty much almost kissing it. It's a lot longer than the last one. You guys know the last one was pretty short, but yeah, let's go ahead and put up the other shower curtain because I think this is gonna just give it the best
Soften
look.
up the mess, drop it in
Open
the
up
water,
there.
let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind,
First of all, babe, I'm gonna tell you right now, I like the shower curtain colors better
and
already.
don't believe
It
a
looks
lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through. Now, tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley.
Okay, you guys, so that is going to be the end of this bathroom makeover. I am 100% obsessed, okay? This modern luxe look for less is just everything. So let this be your sign to go ahead and refresh your bathroom. Go on, run down to that Ross girl, get you some new shower curtains. These are so nice, you guys. They are so soft. Now, these may look a little familiar. We did have these in the living room. These are our Temu curtains, and you guys know I always say shop your home. Repurpose the things that you have in your home already, you guys, and they look exquisite, okay, in the bathroom. Just wanted to go ahead and refresh it, get it fall ready so we can start incorporating different home decor and everything like that in here. I do want to switch out these florals and try to do something a little bit more of like a fall arrangement style. But yeah, y'all, I am obsessed, okay? You guys may remember this picture. This is the picture that was in the living room when I told you guys that we were going to style it in the bathroom and do something different. So yes, that created the Black Girl Magic picture wall in the bathroom. Love it. Definitely added that little spice that I wanted to the bathroom without doing too much. I was going to change out this wallpaper, you guys, but after doing this bathroom makeover, I think we're going to keep it like this because I really like it. I love how it look. And these rugs, baby, for $12.99 from Ross, girl, they are so soft, okay? They are so soft. I love that they came two in a pack. And I see these new rugs are coming without like the rubber or whatever on the bottom. Love that. Also, these are heavier and they don't move around. Yes. But you guys, that is going to be the end of this home decor haul. Really hope that you guys enjoyed the bathroom makeover. Let me know which is your favorite. Do you like this design or did you like the other design that we had? So yeah, I just feel like this gives it like that more high-end look, that more modern, like neutral aesthetic, and y'all know I love this. So yeah, girl, that's gonna be the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next home decor haul. Love y'all. Bye.